YouTube? Y'all already know what time it is, man. This is actually the first time your boy the Retro Wiz Kid done did this in the car, y'all. Well, we on our way right now to try to go pick up that package because it says that I gotta pick it up between 8:30 and 12. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. Try to go pick this package up real quick. Got physical therapy and everything going down in about an hour or so. Hopefully everything goes as planned and they're not playing around with this package and this package is here. Because I'd be really, really pissed if they done doggone sent the package on the truck today. You feel me? So let's go ahead and see what's going on, man. See if we can get this package, y'all. Peace. Secured the box. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, y'all, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So if this your first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel. As well as go ahead and smash that like button for your boy the Retro Wiz Kid and let your boy know that y'all rocking with your boy. And don't forget, drop a comment below and let me know if this was a cop or if this was a drop. Y'all, it's been a crazy day, but as promised, we got that unboxing, you know what I'm saying? And we're just gonna get into this unboxing, man. Let's get into the unboxing, y'all. What y'all think I got, man? I've been waiting on this kick, man, for real. I've been waiting on this kick. You know what? Matter of fact, I'm just gonna show y'all this. It's the Air Max 97, y'all. So a little bit about this shoe, man. This shoe dropped in the States, and when it dropped, they did a surprise release. I think it was like a week before it was actually supposed to drop. And, you know, they some people up trying to get them. You know, I had no success. Feelings was hurt because I really wanted this colorway. My bad, y'all. I just shook the camera. But, you know, patience, patience, patience. Like I tell y'all, you know, I had to have patience with these. You know what I'm saying? I had to have patience to cop these. Then y'all know your boy got lucky on the sneaker app for these. So if y'all see these, man, y'all should know what your boy caught, man. Germany got it a little late, y'all. And man, ain't no new shoe smell on these good doggone regular Nikes, man. Jordan, shoes supposed to be smelling like. Anyway, y'all, there it is, man. Y'all already know how we rock, man. Air Max 97 South Beach, y'all. Finally got them in my possession, and I scored them for the retail, man. You can't beat it, man. My bad, y'all. You can't beat it, man. That retail therapy, shouted. Man, I love that retail, man. So glad I got to get this shoe. Y'all have already seen it. Y'all know how it looked. You know what I'm saying? You got that pink. You know what I'm saying? It's like a hot pink too, y'all. Then you got that green on there. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the AKAs, man. You know what I'm saying? My sister and my mom's Dukes would love this shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Fire, fire, fire. And I know people probably like, man, why you got these and these? They the same shoe. Nah, man. Same colorways, but your boy finally got these doggone Air Max 97s, and I got a little lint on my shirt. Anyway, y'all, saying just a delay, no L's, just a delayed W. I got one more shoe, y'all, that I haven't been able to, you know, like I told you, I got the little stickers. Well, it's like print offs, and I just stick them on there. But it's one more shoe that I'm missing that I made a printout for, and I wasn't able to cop it this year because it didn't come out in Germany. But your boy finally completed the South Beach pack minus one shoe that I didn't want, but these are the ones that I wanted out of that South Beach looking colorway. You know what I'm saying? Watermelon. You know what I'm saying? However you want to call it. You dig? But y'all let me know if this was a copper drop for y'all. I know a lot of people be sleeping on Air Max, but this year the Air Max has been lit, y'all. Man, these joints are fuego. Bruh, I couldn't pass them up. And then I had a bad day, y'all. I'm not even trying to rant right now, but we are family. And man, y'all, so long story short, y'all, so I'm searching for a new vehicle, right? And, you know, I had found one that I wanted, but I was like, man, them car payments kind of, you know what I'm saying? That's not where I was leaning towards paying for a car right now. And then, you know, I found the car that I wanted. And needless to say it, y'all, I saw the car before the car got on the lot. Now, I was buying a brand new car at first, and I switched up and I was like, nah, I'm gonna buy a used car. Just, you know, like a 2-year-old car or something. So I found me a 2-year-old car. great, man. Y'all, I'm talking about this Joker was fly. It had the leather interior, the sunroof, you know what I'm saying, letting you know when you going out of a lane and everything. You know what I'm saying? It had the automatic tailgate door, you know what I'm saying, with the DVD player. Millie rocking in that thing, you know what I'm saying? I was like, boy, I'm about to cop. You know what I'm saying? Told them last week, they called me, they was like, yo, we got another car up here that you might want to buy, and it's in that price range for you. I go up there, as soon as I seen it, my wife seen it, you know what I'm saying? I was like, give me that dub, Instacop, I want it. They send that thing to go get not inspected, but cleaned and stuff. And because the car wasn't even on the website yet, y'all. And if I be damned, a new dude at the other shop where the car was getting clean sold that thing. L, you talk about livid, man. I was pissed today, man. General manager of the car lot wasn't even there, man. He not even there right now. He won't be back to the end of the week. So I talked to the one right below him. And he was like, yeah, you know, we got another car for you, but it ain't got all the bells and whistles that I wanted for the price that I was getting the other one. You did. So that really made me mad, y'all. But you know what? I'm glad I was able to drop this video for y'all today. It's always a pleasure giving y'all some content, showing y'all how the Retro Wiz Kid rocking. Got some more heat coming for y'all. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Got some dope videos I'm gonna be dropping this week. As usual, y'all know your boy try to drop a video every day for y'all. You know what I'm saying? As long as I'm breathing, I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? So appreciate all the love and support, y'all. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget, we gonna be doing that giveaway once we hit like 960 subs. That's when I'm gonna start. You know, I feel like it'll take me about a week to probably hit 1,000 after that. So I'm gonna be announcing how we're gonna do the giveaway. But yeah, y'all, really appreciate all the love and support, man. Everything, all the content I do it for y'all, man. And if y'all got anything that y'all want your boy to drop or any requests, feel free in the comment section. I'm always open to trying some new stuff. I'm gonna be hitting some different Nike outlets around the area and stuff. Got another laced up event I'm gonna be going to soon. I'll keep y'all posted on that. And yeah, man, y'all just keep rocking with your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, because the Retro Wiz Kid rocking with y'all. And remember, whatever you do, just make sure you do what you do and you do what you do at your best. Don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid, y'all. And like always, y'all, I'm gonna spin these pictures, y'all. I hope y'all have a great rest of your Monday. So, let's get into these pigs.